Hey, beautiful souls, it's Empress Shey. Welcome back to the Jupiter Retrograde in Cancer Healing Portal, a 30-day journey of emotional wisdom, ancestral release, intuitive awakening, and soul level rebirth. Each day, we're moving deeper into alignment, deeper into clarity, and deeper into the truth of who we are becoming. Let today's message meet you where you are, hold you with grace, and guide you with love. Let's flow. Day 13, restoring emotional balance. Your emotional system is actively recalibrating. Jupiter retrograde in Cancer is bringing you back into alignment with what feels true, safe, and authentic for your heart. Emotional balance doesn't mean you feel neutral. It means you feel steady. It means your emotions are beginning to flow instead of overwhelm you. Today's healing reminds you you are coming back into yourself. You are stabilizing. You are learning to trust your emotional rhythm again. Day 13, restoring emotional balance. Jupiter retrograde in Cancer healing portal. Today, we're recalibrating the heart space. As Jupiter retrograde continues to illuminate emotional patterns, you may notice your inner world becoming lighter, clearer, and more grounded. This lesson supports your emotional restoration, helping you return to calm, clarity, and equilibrium. Perfect for anyone on a journey, on a healing journey, spiritual awakening path, or looking to reconnect with inner peace. And before you go, take a moment to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your support truly helps this healing space reach the souls who were meant to find it. And also, please check out my new guided meditation series right on the channel, Healing Energies with Empress Shey. That's my YouTube channel, as well as it's on Daily Align and Evolve. These meditations are designed to support your emotional healing, alignment, and inner peace throughout Jupiter retrograde in Cancer and beyond. And there's also a daily meditation for abundance healing as well. So if you're needing grounding, clarity, or soothing energy on your journey, make sure you check those out. And don't forget, I offer weekly tarot readings for the collective on the channel on Healing Energies with Empress Shey. Every Thursday, we explore the collective energy along with the current planetary alignments to get a full picture of what the cosmos is activating and how the energy is moving through your life. And every Saturday, I release the Jupiter retrograde in Cancer reading, where we go deeper into the emotional and spiritual shifts happening during this retrograde season. So be sure to have your notifications turned on so that you never miss a message that's meant for you. And remember, the healing portal doesn't stop here. Even though the grand water trine has completed, this journey continues all the way until Jupiter retrograde ends on March 10th. This portal has always been rooted in Jupiter retrograde in Cancer energy activating your fourth house of home, family, emotional roots, and inner security. Because Jupiter is retrograde, this work is deeply internal, reflective, and transformative. So stay with the process. Trust what's surfacing. Honor the healing unfolding beneath the surface. And thank you for being here with me today, beautiful souls. Thank you for choosing this healing. As Jupiter retrogrades in Cancer continues to open and cleanse our emotional world, remember, your healing is your power. Your clarity is your protection, and your softness is your strength. Take what resonates, release what doesn't, and keep moving gently towards your rebirth. I'll meet you again tomorrow as we rise, align, and evolve, one day at a time. Stay grounded, stay open, and stay divine. This has been Empress Shey, and have yourself a wonderful rest of your day.